What is up, you guys? Today we are staying at the Hyatt House Anaheim Resort and Convention Center. This is a great hotel if you're wanting to go to Disneyland, or maybe you're wanting to go to an Anaheim Ducks game, or doing anything at the convention center here. This is a great place to stay. So today we're gonna take you on a little tour of this hotel. We're gonna take you around some of the common areas, and then we'll take you up to the room and show you what it's all about. Come with me, let's head over across the street and check out the Hyatt House Anaheim. Now we're walking across the street here. The main entrance is actually on the other side of all this building. So like when we came here in our Uber, we were delivered to the opposite side, and you can kind of see the parking sign right up ahead. But right under here, there are a few dining locations, and so that is very convenient if you are staying here and you just need a quick bite to eat. All right, let's head on in. Once again, it's over here, just to the left of this red truck. And there is a Starbucks right at the base. So if you need your Starbies in the morning, easy. All right, here we go. Let's head on in. Now, when we first walk through the doors, we get to this lobby. And once again, not anything incredibly unique or special, just modern, and has everything that you would need in a lobby. I do like this log here for Disneyland. You have all the scooters there and some Disneyland things all the way around in general. Of course, you do have Mickey Mouse right here. Mickey is a legend. We'll swing around over here and check out the rest of this lobby. Looks like you have like a bar type area right there, and just a lot of seating, which I think is probably pretty necessary at a hotel like this that sees a lot of turnover in families because of Disneyland. As we move this way, you'll notice there's a spot where you can sit. There's a TV here. There's just a lot of areas in this lobby that are kind of made for sitting. They do have breakfast in the morning, and that is down here. And so that is a really cool setup there. Lots of breakfast space. I don't know. I'll let that kind of zoom in a little bit and let you see how much there is there. I'm gonna step out here now because they also have this outdoor area. We could go right here. And so this is an outdoor area that has just space in general. You do have the breeze coming through here, and you can hear kind of the street. So it's kind of nice to have an outdoor area. And they do have this little fireplace thingy. I'm not feeling any heat coming out of it right now, so it does not look like it's on, but it could be if they wanted it to be. They have a pool table here that you can actually use if you would like. You just have to go give an ID at the front desk, and they will give you access to it, but it's just a nice place to sit out here. But we'll head back inside here, and we'll head towards the elevators. The elevators are on the far side of the lobby to the left after you walk in. As we walk towards the elevators, there is a business center right there, if anyone needs a business center. So that's nice. You have the restrooms here, and we have arrived at the elevator area. Before we head up to the room, I want to go check out, there is a fitness center, a pool, things like that over here. So we're gonna go down here towards the pool first and check out what this pool deck is. Here we go. Came out over here to the pool deck, and as you can see, it's actually a pretty nice pool deck. You have a lot of space. It is a good little pool area. You have a hot tub over there, which is really, really nice. And you are elevated a level, so you're not surrounded by the city, which is a really neat setup. You've got lots of these like comfy chairs all around. Plus you have loungers as well. So this actually works out pretty well if you are interested in coming here and want a little kind of just pool time. It's a good spot right here. All right, right over here we have a fitness center. Honestly, this looks like it's pretty, just walking up, looks like it's a pretty decent sized fitness center. Of course, you have this gym area, which is like, I think I said it looked big when we were walking up. It's not huge, but if you just want to work out, there's no one in here right now, so I guess you can work out, so that's pretty good. But let's head up to the room, show you guys what that's like, because I think you're gonna love it. All right, we're 4:35, so we were realizing that this is a huge hotel. All right, now time for a quick room tour. We're gonna start out, we just walked in, we're gonna swing to the right and check out the bathroom. Just a simple bathroom here. You got your main sink, a mirror, a commode, a shower, all that stuff. Pretty standard Hyatt House things if you've ever stayed at a Hyatt House before. So you can expect that there. You have a full-length mirror, so you can check on yourself as you walk out. This is a connecting room. I imagine they're not all like this, but this one is. Now you come over here. You have the bed. We have a king room, and I love how the Hyatt houses have these sofas. That's technically a pull-out sofa, I believe. You do swing around here. You have a TV, kind of a workspace there, which is really nice. And then since it's a Hyatt house, it does have some kitchen amenities. So this has a microwave, a little coffee pot. We're just at downtown Disney. That doesn't come with the room, but you have ice box, all that stuff. And then down here, you do have, that was the wrong handle, you do have kind of your kitchenware in here, and then a mini fridge here. So generally a pretty nice little room. You have some storage space under here. So pretty good little room here if you're looking for a stay that is right next to Disneyland for a way more affordable price than that Disney Resort pricing. And so there it is. That is the Hyatt house right here next to Disneyland. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means a ton to us. If you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, that means a ton to this channel. And comment down below, have you stayed at this hotel before? What did you think of it? Was it convenient? Was the 10-minute walk to Disneyland worth staying here for you? If you really enjoyed this video and don't mind, share it with a friend. Say, we gotta go to Disneyland. Let's go stay here. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next video.